I'm so tired.
You tired, Gordo? Why? You're retired. Hey, mama. Mama, look at me. Beautiful. Beautiful.
It said borrow it back, so I'm gonna take it home and borrow it.
I took a nap just in case. Look.
I'm gonna get it. Beautiful light blue plate. I like it. Mommy, stay with me.
Yeah.
Look how pretty. These colors are really pretty. And they have everything to match it. What is wrong with him? They even got the salt shaker. Come on, mommy. Rue. That's nice. I like that one. It's $4.99. I like this one, Rue. Go ahead, sit on it. Go ahead, Joanna, sit. Okay, wait, cheese. Okay. No, you can't come out. Not here. Now that's nice. That's how you like dark colors, Golo? I don't like dark colors.
If I get a house before my
That's a nice setup.
I get like that couch.
I like the pink one, Joanna. How much is the pink one? That's a nice setup too, Goli. Okay. We like coming to walk to IKEA. It's been a while.
If anyone needs a measure.
That's nice. The white one. No, I don't like black furniture.
It's okay, but I get a little bit of like a spring color. This is my house right here.
Making a little video here. Stay there. This style is so me. The flowers, the light colors.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. TV. Oh, look at the red couch. That would look perfect in the living room. Yup, look at the kids. I could see you guys in here. That is nice. You gotta go to the bathroom? Oh, that is nice. I wish my apartment fit a couch. Oh, wait, there's futons back there. Look, it comes in orange. Oh, room. Rue, there's sofa beds. Rue, there's sofa beds, these couches. Look at this one for $129. That's the way it looks open. And that's the way it looks closed. Huh? Yeah, that's what I just said. This was $129. There's sofa beds. That's the way that one looks open.
Only one person fit. That one probably fit with two people.
Yeah, the one that's $249 fits two people. Oh, look at the white one. That's nice. You seen that sofa bed? That one's huge.
if you want something, you can write it down and what the measure and all that.
Who said that?
What?
Who said that?
No, it's in the blue board.
Yeah? I like the white one.
White one.
Mm-hmm. Oh, there goes one with the dressers. Comes in white. 169. I like that one. That's nice for that my room. This is supposedly the clearance side.
Where did we
Ooh, this is pretty, the glass one.
It's for guns. These are for guns.
This is like the. So we passed what?
Bro, we should get this month.
Mark, what you doing in your room?
I wish it was my room. Right here, that's severe.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. What are you doing in your office, Joanna?
Attention IKEA.
I like that one.
Parent, please report to the ballroom. And school people. With the following parent, please report to the ballroom. And
Here.
Okay, thank you.
$1,000 for this?
For the whole thing, yeah. Nice, mommy. $1,000 for the whole kit. Dressers, bed frame, box spring, the mattress included with it, shoe rack, all of this. Yeah, mommy, I like this one.
Yeah, me
Order safety.
too. I can't get through. Mark, I can't get through.
Don't fall off.
I like this.
You stupid. I know where you're getting at.
Guys, I like this.
Yeah. Oh, there goes the cheap bed frames room for $49. Yep.
I like that.
How about that one? Look. Oh, she just jumped on it. Didn't move.
It's hard.
Oh, forget it. Forget it. That's called video. Forget it. Forget it, Rube.
Something like this, solid. It's solid.
It's $129.
You would need a box split and a mattress.
Yeah. Yeah. Come on, guys.
Mom, we can't watch TV.
Oh, someone in the purse.
Yeah. Yeah, Mama. I can't wait to paint your room because I'm gonna put a mosquito tent like that.
When we move?
No. Up in her room right now. I'm not moving nowhere.
This.
Mom, where are you going to put your room?
Huh? I want to get for the kids. The third mattress at the bottom. And this is rule frame. This is the one that I've been telling you I want to come get for the kids. 3 fit there.
Oh, Mom, let's get this one right here. I sleep
Well,
on the
Joanna,
couch. Mom, I sleep on the couch. Someone sleeps on the bunk bed.
that's the one I'm coming to get for them. There's no way they can break that one.
I want to sleep at the bottom.
I sleep on
No, that's for the 3 boys. You're going to get something else.
Oh, okay.
Wait,
I'll probably get you something like, where was it at? Leave them alone. This one right here. This one. Where's Daddy? Little room. This one for her.
Mom, can I get this one?
Mommy,
Yes, papi. Yeah.
You can leave it like this or you can paint it.
Or you can paint it. Oh, they're trying to show you right here how it looks if you paint it.
Yeah, this sort of paint there.
Oh, okay. Yes.
Oh, yeah, get a rod.
What is that room? Oh, squeegee.
Yeah, that's how you clean it.
For the win. Oh, okay.
That's nice.
Hey.
Here we go, Bo. You are here.
That's nice, right?
Shortcut. Mom, I can take shortcut, Mom. There's shortcuts now.
Look, Joanna.
Shortcut.
Oh, Corex.
Oh, we're almost done with this floor, Mom.
He fits? Oh, look how cute for Isaac. Mom, look right there.
Huh?
That's nice.
Mom, can we and Isaac get this room?
Okay. If we go downstairs, then I have to get something for you and Isaac.
Mom, me and Sarah will get the button, right?
You guys decide what y'all gonna buy with y'all money.
Oh, me and Sarah gonna make it.
What? Not gonna happen already.
I don't think so. I don't know.
Mommy,
Yes.
a puppy.
A puppy where?
I smell the food.
Oh, puppy. You hungry now?
Oh, I want that chair.
No.
Nope. Ain't going to do that. I only got quarters.
No, just wait till we go. Oh, Mark's got quarters. I like that.
We can't combine our money.
No, mommy.
Mom, let's see it. Mom, let's see if we can take our money.
You see this, Mama? This is for tea party. Look, we gotta come get some for you,
Okay.
so we can have a tea party.
We will make real
For my room and for baby girl's room. Where'd he go? Little room for my room and baby girl's room. Oh, nice.
I guess you gotta.
Look at the heart ones. Oh, look, for the boys, the star ones.
No.
No, we're not kids.
We don't need them.
You're not kids? Oh, excuse me.
We're grown.
Last time I checked, I still got to take care of you guys.
Yeah.
So that makes you guys kids. You're not little kids no more?
We're grown. We're grown.
Oh, you're grown, then get a job.
Shower lights.
No.
I want to pay the
Oh, my little guy has a few of these things.
Mom, we're gonna do this. Can we go to the roof?
No.
I think you can get something. Your money.
$8. 89 cents. It doesn't say if they're microwavable. Yeah. Yeah. I was just checking to see that's microwavable. These are 99 cents also.
I buy one for me. I want one for my parents.
Those are 20. We'll get them at the flea market or the little store. Oh, look, a creamer. I like that. It's something we need. Oh, look, Rue. Teapot. Donna, don't drop that.
Yeah.
We like stuff like this, right?
Oh, this is for
Tea.
tea in it. Tea herbs. Tea herbs.
Nice.
And they dip in the thing.
Another tea kettle.
I'm gonna have this, but
That one? Oh, look how pretty this color is.
that's nice.
Those are also 99 cents.
Ma, $10 for that.
Yeah.
Ma, $2 for these.
A set, 12-piece set. Doesn't say how much it is. Oh, $34.99. Oh, mixing bowls. These are $2.99 each. Oh, bamboo stuff. Where's Daddy? So he can see this.
Salad.
Look, a salad bowl. Oh, actually, it's a serving bowl, it says. Bamboo. Oh, look at this. Rule $11.99.
18.
We would need 2 of those. Oh, no. Wait, Rule. Rule, it says 6 dinner plates, 6 bowls, and 6 small plates. So that's perfect. $11.99.
So that will be $12.
And it comes in orange also. This one's $24.99. Brings 18 count. Oh, that's a pretty color.
Yeah.
Wow. That is a real big mixing bowl.
Roll the handstand. How many times?
That was you? Wow. Smells strong. These are bed trays. What's that, my love? Look at this one.
They sell you the treatment, you know, because you gotta treat it.
And this one's $4.99? Oh, the treatment's $4.99.
And this one.
That's nice.
They want you to spend so much money. This is like same thing. Yeah, one more.
Yeah, you could get these at Walmart too.
You can make your own ice cream.
Yeah.
Look, right here at the last store.
Yes, Mama.
Right there, you get at Kmart.
What are these?
Right there, you can get at the flea market. One down.
Oh, that's nice. That's a grill pan.
Real.
Don't bother him, okay?
Mom, can I give it to Mark now?
A little bit. Daddy just gave it to you when we got here. That's good.
$79 for that.
No.
No, that's for that.
6-piece hardware. Cookware.
I like this. No, you know, it's not Flow Boys.
No.
Please, he wants to see.
No, that's it. Put it back, man.
Over here's the curtains, the pillows.
Sewing machine over there. $65.
That's cute. Pillows and bedspreads. Ow. Do it again. Towel safety shades with no strings.